Today I'm going to be taking a look at this little promotional or novelty tape measure that was very kindly sent to me by my friends at Richard Brothers, or Ribrosco as you see here, and the model is the BSC2008. So what do we have here then? Well, the case is a zinc alloy case. As you can see, it's very nicely finished on this side. We have a little steel plate under the logo here, and we have a very nice 6 feet or 2 meter carbon steel tape measure that will undoubtedly have been nylon coated as well for durability. As you can see, it is in imperial and metric, and it automatically retracts too, very nicely. Now, as I say, this is a promotional item or novelty item. If you order enough of these from Ribrosco, they will actually put whatever logo you wish on the front of the unit just here over the cover, and it can be whatever you wish at all, company names, logos, whatever, as you can see right here. As I say, I think the minimum order is 5,000 pieces, I do believe. If I'm not correct, what I'll do is I'll pop it just down here for you, the actual minimum order required for these things. But it's very nice, very well made in Taiwan by the looks of things. You've got a nice finish on the back here, and it's quite a heavy little thing for the size it is. Here are the dimensions for you to take a look at, and we are looking at 40 millimeters long, 40 millimeters deep, 12 millimeters thick. The tape itself is 8 millimeters wide with a length of 2 meters. The little tape measure is made from zinc alloy steel and carbon steel for the blade. It weighs in at 2¼ ounces or 62 grams, so it is a substantial little tape measure. It is a very handy pocket size tape measure. You can drop into a pocket very easily. Here we have the average size rear pocket of a pair of jeans. Goes in there very nicely, and it will even fit in the small little fob pocket, I believe they call it, of a pair of jeans too. So it is a very easy thing to carry around with you for whatever you may wish to measure. I mean, you may wish to measure a doorway while you're having a look round a new house, for instance. You may wish to measure a window for curtains or blinds or whatever. No problem there either. The little tape measure will extend out to 2 meters. And it comes out very nicely. There is no locking button or anything on here, so you're going to have to stop the tape with your fingers, which is not a difficult task at all. It's got a strongish return spring on there, but nothing you can't overcome. There we go. 2 meters of it. What's it like as it retracts? There we go. Very nice. The tape itself is carbon steel, nylon coated for durability. It doesn't actually feel like it's made from steel, but I can assure you that it is. It's very high quality. There we go. It doesn't, as I say, when I first took a look at it, I thought it was like a nylon tape, or you know, some sort of fibre reinforced nylon tape, but it is actually carbon steel, as you can see here. If we introduce a magnet, there we go. So I think this is a very well made and impressive pocket tape measure. As I say, Ribrosco have got it down as a novelty or promotional item, so you can have whatever logo you want just here. This would be my choice, of course. But you've got a nice little tape here. It's carbon steel. It's very nice. It retracts very nicely. Well made. Yes, a very nice little product here. Okay then, so I would just like to thank Richard and Brothers for sending this very nice little tape measure in for me to review and test out as well. If you're in the market for a little small tape measure you want to carry about, as I say, you know, maybe you're going around looking at a new home or something like that there, or you need a small tape measure for measuring a few bits and pieces while you're out and about, this is the this could be the very thing for you. And also, if you require a promotional item, a promotional tape measure, you can contact Ribrosco. I'll put a link down in the descriptive text below. Just click on that link and go along. I'll also put a product page down there for you. You can make all the inquiries you like. I believe the minimum purchase on these things is 5,000 pieces, and you can have your own logo put on there. Okay then guys, what do you think of this little tape measure then? Is it the sort of thing you've been looking for? Quite a handy little thing to have. It's well made because it's a zinc alloy. It's not a plastic like some of the cheap tape measures you can get out there. This is actually a zinc alloy, and there's a steel plate under here that covers the gubbins up. I'm not about to take it apart because I don't know how to put it back together again, to be honest with you. But yeah, very nicely made little tape measure there. There's the other side of it. Okay then guys, hope you enjoyed the review. Please let me know what you think of the little tape measure. Have you got one? Do you use a small tape measure in your daily business, or do you cart one about with you? Let me know. Okay then guys, well thanks for coming over once again. Thanks for taking a look at this very nice little Ribrosco BSC2008. Come by again some other time. I'm sure I'll have something else of interest for you on here. Maybe even from Ribrosco themselves. I have got quite a few of their tape measures kicking about now. They've sent me quite a few to test and evaluate over the last year. I always find them to be quite well made and rugged tape measures. So yeah. Okay then guys, thanks for coming over. Thanks for taking a look, and thanks for watching.